Okay guys, here we want to discuss about rubrics. Before I explain about rubrics, I want to introduce myself. My name is Lady Clarita Aritonang. My registration number 16120221, and my partner.
Hello, my name is Dianustika Siotang and my register number is 161202 and 48.
Okay, we are going to first slide the definition of rubric. A rubric is a great tool for teachers because it is a simple way to set up a grading criteria for assessments. Not only is this tool useful for teachers, it is helpful for students as well. A rubric defines in writing what is expected of the students to get a particular grade on an assessment. Heidi Gogrit Andragi, a rubrics expert, defines a rubric as a scoring tool that lists the criteria for a piece of work or what counts. For example, a rubric for an essay may tell students that their work will be judged on purpose, organization, details, voice, and mechanics. Okay, we are going to next slide. Why use rubric? According to Heidi Goodrich Andrade, rubrics help students and teachers define quality. When students use rubrics regularly to judge their own work, they begin to accept more responsibility for the end product. It cuts down on the I done yet questions. Rubrics reduce the time teachers spend grading students' work and make it easier for a teacher to explain to students why they got the grade they did and what they can do to improve. Parents usually like the rubrics concept once they understand it, and they find rubrics useful when helping with homework. As one teacher says, they know exactly what their child needs to do to be successful. Okay, the next slide will be continued by my friends.
Now I want to continue our slide that is types of rubrics. Types of rubrics, there are two types. For the first is holistic rubrics. It means that single criterion rubrics are one-dimensional, used to assess participants' overall achievement on an activity or item based on predefined achievement levels. Holistic rubrics may use a percentage or text-only scoring method. And the second type is analytic rubrics. Analytic rubrics in here, it means that two-dimensional rubrics with levels of achievement as columns and assessment criteria as rows allows you to assess participants' achievements based on multiple criteria using a single rubric. You can assign different weight or value to different criteria and include an overall achievement by totaling the criteria. With analytic rubrics, levels of achievement display in columns and your assessment criteria display is in rows. Analytic rubrics may use points, custom points, or text-only scoring method. Points and custom points analytic rubrics may use both text and points to assess performance. With custom points, each criterion may be worth a different number of points. For both points and custom points, an overall score is provided based on the total number of point achieved. The overall score determines if learners meet the criteria determined by instructors. You can manually override the total and the overall score of the rubric. Okay, I think that's all our presentation about rubrics. If we have a mistake, please forgive us.